Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of WhatsApp. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here WhatsApp. Then this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about WhatsApp. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us.